Let's have a look at 3 simplistic but really powerful tools that you can use on a Mac. First of all, we're going to have a look at Mission Control. Now let's say you're using a number of different apps all at once. You've got iMovie open, you've got your file browser, and you're using Pages as well, for example. Well, Mission Control simply arranges those apps on the screen in an easy to digest way. So if I select it, we can see all of the apps at once, and then I can choose one that I want to work on. That means that it's easy to flip back and forth between lots of different apps, 2, 3, 4 of them. So next to Mission Control, we have another feature that makes things easier, which is called Launchpad. Launchpad displays all of the applications in a way that is reminiscent of an iPad, for example. So we can see all of the apps all at once on what is effectively like a home page. So for example, I might want to use the calculator. This is an easier way of finding that app and opening it up. There you go. So next to Mission Control and Launchpad, we have Siri. Now Siri works in exactly the same way, so I could say, "Hey Siri, open up Keynote." And there you have it, Keynote opening up hands-free. So 3 really simplistic tools that can make workflow a breeze.